So I bought this little suit from a charity shop and it actually swamps me. Look, it's a size 12. The skirt is super long. It doesn't fit me very well. I love the colour though. The colour is my favourite. Look at those shoulder pads. If my mum could dress me, I think she would dress me like this. I think that would be her favourite outfit for me to wear. So I started by laying down the skirt, and then I'm taking all the seams in order for me to be able to fit it exactly to my body and to get the best fit. And you can see here that I put it on the body and then I pinned and tucked in order to get all the exact shapes that I wanted. In order to install the zip, I found it easier to use a zipper foot, and then I just did a double tuck at the top in order to secure it, and then I just did a straight seam down the side of the dress, and then at the top I actually bedded the fabric within itself in order to have the higher finish at the top, because I didn't put any lining to this dress as it was already thick. And you can see that once I finished one side, I'm just checking that the zip doesn't have any problems sliding up or down. Then I have to resew it again, so that will take extra longer. And here I'm just adding the extra details at the top, that I had this lovely trimming and I just had to hand stitch it because of the beads. It wouldn't go through the sewing machine. And again, you do over under with the white thread, because I didn't want the thread to be seen on this lovely little material. I just had to remove those shoulder pads because they were just too dramatic for me. Cutting through the lining in order to remove them, because then I remembered that I'm going to cut it straight across. Don't need to do this step, but I did it anyway, so I was just going to show you that I did a mistake. So it's okay, we do it and learn. I wanted the jacket a bit shorter than my bust, just for it to emphasize the waist, because I needed a few sizes smaller. The jacket was size 14 and I'm a size 8. I unpicked all the seams in order to keep the beautiful tailoring, and I taken it in 1 inch on every seam, so I still kept the beautiful tailoring. And you can see here how I pinned and tucked all the shapes, and except the central seam, because I didn't want that to give me a bit of a gape and make it look like I have a hunched. So here I'm just adding a waist belt in order for me to sew in the white trimming, and in here I'm just showing you how I sewn the belt. So I sewn it across and then I did a little stitch and I turned it inside out in order for it to be a nice finish. And this is always a nice way to finish the fabric, and I always want to cut the excess fabric. If it's a thick fabric, then it will have a bit of a bulge and you always want to cut it. And then I've attached it to the lining on inside the fabric, and this is how it looks. It's very nicely finished and it's to a high standard. So this is the end result. I am about to show you. This is what the top looks like. I think this is quite fancy and I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm gonna have to show you the full look together. Are you ready? Let me show you. So this is the final look. What do you think? So this is just the top and this is the jacket. I feel like I'm ready to go to a 90s party. Don't you think so? Look how beautiful it actually turned out. So it's very well fitted. On the waist is very tight. Well, it's not tight, it's quite loose on me, but the jacket is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you. So this is what the top and the jacket looks like. Don't you think that's so cute? And I've used the same details that I used for the little jacket and the cuff. So the sleeves, the sleeves actually go quite long, but I turned it out like this. So I think that's very cute and elegant. What do you think? Actually, I got some pink shoes as well to go with them, because this outfit just deserves to be all pink, doesn't it? Would you wear a little sexy number like that? You could actually wear this during the day and then this one in the evening if you're going anywhere. I feel very like Elle Woods. I'm ready to go to be a lawyer. I feel this is like a super adventurous for what I usually do, but I thought this is a bit more wearable than what I usually create. What do you think? Not bad for a very old skirt and jacket that I've decided to give a new life. Should we do more transformations like this? What do you think? And it's a bit loose, but it's okay. It's very, very glamorous, isn't it? It just reminds me of Chanel, and I just wanted something a bit more sexy, a bit more, obviously a bit more upgraded from the grandma style. I think this definitely has the seal of approval. Again, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, more DIYs, then do subscribe and leave me a comment down below what else you would like to see from me, and put your notification button on as well to always be notified when I post a new video. From me to you.